All right, so I don't know why I actually bought this because I'm looking now. I got it on Amazon. It didn't have very good ratings. Like it's 3.7 out of 5, but for some reason I still thought that this could be something I would like. So this is a lower eyelash stamp kit. So, work with me on this. Those of us with very sparse eyelashes, we use mascara on the upper lashes, but sometimes it's really hard to do it on the lower lashes because there barely are any there and they're very fine. So I end up getting more of it on my face than on the lashes. So I saw this, and I'll definitely insert like some sort of picture of like what it is and the picture that they showed because it looked somewhat compelling. I imagine. Yes, it did. Okay, I'll show you the one picture. The girl, of course, is gorgeous. Anyways, so it has 3 different styles. So I think the lightest, shortest one is S96. Okay, and then it comes with like an actual like a stamp thing. Like you just put it in here. Okay, and it has the 3 different styles. Okay. So you peel them off this thing and then you put them on to the like applicator. Okay, so there's one for your left eye, one for your right eye. Okay, let me read. There are 8 steps to this. Okay, stick the eyelash stamp to the crescent of the handle with the narrow part facing inward. Done. After setting the upper face printing makeup, look down and eyes up so that lower eyelid is full. The line will be more clear. Do not move after aligning the position so that it can be sealed lightly. Okay. Oh crap, I just spit. Oh, dude. Okay, these are not the best directions. Okay, so this is the left eye. I obviously don't have any makeup on right now because I wanted to test this out. So I'm like dipping it into the ink slash makeup slash whatever it is. There's like a perfect amount for it. Okay. Let me get a mirror. Okay. Okay, so okay, maybe I took too long or I didn't have anything on it. But we got nothing. Okay, and there is an extra thing of ink. It says it's black-brown. Please shake well before use. Add 3 to 5 drops each time. How come that wasn't in the directions? I feel like that would be like an important piece. Okay, I just put 3 dots on it. Okay, we're going to try that again. Okay, so I put the 3 dots of ink there. Okay, and now I'm going to, wow. Oh goodness. Maybe I should have let it absorb for a little bit longer because I feel like that might be, okay. All right, we're just gonna do it, okay? Okay. Oh my God, it's like that movie. What is that movie? You know what I'm talking about. I think I dressed up as it is for Halloween one year. Clockwork Orange. Well, that's frightening. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's try the other eye. Okay, so I'm using the same one, the S96. All right, this one looks way less aggressive. Okay, but here's the thing. I gotta get it higher. It's gotta be like where my actual lashes are. You guys. Okay, it's still, okay, so way better than our first try. Clockwork Orange eye over here. It's great. But it's still, like I wouldn't say, I don't know, maybe with a full face of makeup and mascara, that would kind of look like lashes? Do you think? I don't know if maybe someone else's eyes and style would be more convincing with this, or it's just me and I suck. I don't know. But I would, well, this didn't get a great rating either, so yeah, I would not recommend this. So I don't know, if you have any great tips for lower lash line mascara, I would love to hear them. As far as mascara or eye makeup styles, I do eyeshadow on my lower lash line to give some definition. I don't do eyeliner because it tends to be too stark and make my eyes look smaller. So tell me what you think. What are your thoughts? Again, if you have great lashes, no offense, I don't want to hear your thoughts because you can already do it or not do it and you'll look fine. But those of us with very sparse lower lashes that are kind of short and fine and such, what do we do? What are we supposed to do? All right, let me know your thoughts. I will link this below, but in my experience, I don't really recommend it because I don't think it works that well, and I don't think, yeah, I just don't think it looked that great. So let me know what you think. Thanks.